Mr. Camden in your group. Parker and Drake. Oh, Dad, I loaded it up for you.
That's fine.
This is a good group, Dad.
Fine.
What do you think, boys?
Yeah.
This is the boy group. Are you going to do a good job? Oh. You think you can handle it? All right, give that note to Dad. And then we have Mr. Green. Come up here.
Yeah, that's obvious.
And Mr. Green, you're going to have Ariana's group.
This is the Columbia Academy field trip. The Robinson Nature Center.
Touch the pencil.
Hey, Parker, you don't want to do it?
I want to do it.
Why not? Why not?
Actually, I don't. Actually, I don't.
No, you don't? What's in there?
Everybody, welcome to the Pop
Parker, wait, what do you hear? What do you hear? What do you hear?
The ocean and the dolphins.
Drake, what do you hear?
I hear the sharks and dolphins. It's like really loud. Sounds like.
We gotta go. We're going out. We'll be right back.
I hate bees.
You guys see all those trees out in the forest? A lot of those trees that are out there in the forest might have been planted accidentally by a squirrel just like this.
What are we doing? We're doing lunch, right?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, what's for lunch, boys? What's for lunch? What did Mommy pack you?
Look right here. Macaroni, carrots, dog,
What else?
oil.
Here we go.
No.
Yeah. What about you? What did Dad pack for you? What did Dad pack for you?
Oreos, sandwich, string cheese, and chips.
Oh my goodness, great. What did your mom pack for you?
Squeezable juice, turkey and cheese, crackers, and water.
What about love? I don't know. What's your grandma pack for you? What's she pack for you?
Some chips, an apple, and a pickle, and a wrap, and some juice.
Oh, awesome.
For
What about
buying
love?
lunch.
She
That's
made lunch
for
for you?
buying. Yeah.
Boys, what are we doing? Where are we going?
Playground. Playground.
What's going on? What's going on? Sleeping?
I'm trying to get my sweater.
What's that?
I'm trying to get my sweater.
What is it? Wait, tell me what is it?
The Hungry Talk.
The green one, that smells so good.
What is it?
Oh, we would be BFFs. That would be awesome. you go. Can you put that in your cubby?
You good? Am I a good
You
chaperone?
stand with her.
High five. Parker.
All right, let's go, let's go.
Am I a good chaperone?
Get in line, get in line, get in line. We're not.
Am I a good chaperone? Okay, alright. See you later, right?
Oh,
Get in line.